Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So I'm going to go over a chart with you guys on TBLT, a major breakout that we had all of last week. I'm going to go over exactly what would have to happen for us to continue here. Again, as you guys can see, we had a major spike. We did not continue on into newer highs on a major breakout. The question is, a lot of people have been asking, are we going to continue on higher on major volume, or are we going to continue on lower? What exactly is our indicator saying here? I'm going to go over exactly what would have to happen for us to continue. Now, before I jump into this, all I ask in return is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that I mention every single day throughout the week. And if you are a day trader or you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts, very volatile breakouts that we mention every single day throughout the week, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. So let's jump into this one. So jumping into the 5-minute chart with you guys here on TBLT, as you guys can see, we had a nice breakout in the Instables zone, breaking above our highs from last week on Friday, and we did have this continuation today. A lot of people curious if we're going to continue on above $10. What exactly would have to happen for us to break above $10, as we have been continuing on to new highs here with TBLT. So I wanted to go over the 1-hour chart with you guys since we had a major spike recently. For TBLT, we have been getting better indications in the 1-hour chart from here since we have had a major spike recently, and we are looking to see if we can continue on with that strength. As you guys can see, we do have our increase in buy pressure recently, and we were looking to see if we can continue on into newer highs. We did not increase with that buy pressure at this point. We actually increased with that buy pressure below our previous high that we had, and then we have that decrease in buy pressure as we are increasing in price action. As you guys can see in our price action, as we are getting higher highs, we do have a decrease in buy pressure, so we need to make sure we are being careful here. On the 1-hour chart, we do have our EMA line that is just looking to see if we are going to cross down below our 26 EMA line. Again, our 12 and our 26, our 12 dropping below our 26 here. We will be looking to see if we do continue on with lower highs here, as we cannot afford to continue on with lower highs since we already have lower highs here on TBLT. So we're going to see if we do continue on with that momentum. If we do get more confirmation with our 12 EMA jumping above and breaking into newer highs here, that would be the confirmation that we're looking for here as far as continuing on higher. And looking at a relative strength, very similar to REV and QRTEB, two other major breakouts that we had in the Instables room today. As you guys can see, we are jumping out of overbought territory. So what we want to happen here is to break into newer highs here to get more confirmation on our relative strength here, to see if we can get that confirmation again on that continuation. Again, a very nice spike today. As you guys can see, we jumped back into overbought territory and we had those spikes today. But again, we need to make sure we do increase with buy pressure, because if we continue to get this decrease in buy pressure, we will have a large amount of sell pressure coming in. And in my opinion, we could continue on lower from here, since we do overall have bearish divergence that are playing out here. So we're going to be careful, making sure we do get that increase in buy pressure. But what I really do like here is that our 20-day moving average is still over our 50. We did cross back above. We did mention this spike here. We mentioned a couple spikes. We mentioned multiple spikes here with TBLT, continuing on into newer highs, looking to see if we can continue to respect our 20-day moving average going into tomorrow is what we will be looking for. And that price action point that I want to see if we can break above is here at $10. Again, we did mention today that we were looking to see if we can break over $10 to continue on with strength. We did not continue on above $10, but again, a very nice breakout that we mentioned very early in the Instables room, breaking into newer highs from last week on Friday. These are the type of breakouts that we mentioned in the Instables room every single day. TBLT came from last week, actually 2 weeks ago on Friday, and we have been continuing on higher and then getting a nice continuation today with that bounce back. So again, if you do want to see more breakouts like these, again, like REV or QRTEB, check out those videos before this. I did post those. Go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you Instables that come over every single day and support the channel, again, a very nice breakout here with TBLT. We will continue to go at it. Stay patient. Take what the market gives us. Looking to see if we can break over a $10 psychological resistance from here with TBLT is exactly what we will be looking for. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.